Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and it's Bettybox time. Yeah, so you see this is, I know this is Bettybox because of the packaging. It's exactly the same packaging as the pink parcel. So yeah, we're just going to open it up. Oh, by the way, Bettybox is £12.99 a month. And that's that. Oh, we got a beautiful box. But I don't like this opening. Have you seen it? It's like ripped. Just look at that. Never mind, it's okay, but it's the contents that matters. Right, so we're just going to open it up. And right, so we'll put these to a side. Oh, what is this? So what is this? This is Betty pads are here, an exclusive sneak peek for you. What is this? It's like, I'm interested. Find your perfect fit. So what are they doing? So Betty pads is why we know you love your Bettybox, so we wanted to make a bit more fab. We noticed that there weren't any organic sanitary products, especially designed for girls. Oh, so they're going organic. Alright, so it looks like they look like that. They come in a packaging like that. So they're just like normal pads. There we go. See, normal pads. But these is organic pads. So say hey to our smallest pad that fits knickers from size age 8 to 9, or you can go for one that's 10 to 11, or one that's 12 to 13, or one that's 14 plus. My daughter will use the 14 plus ones. So yeah, so I will give these to her because she is 14 plus. Right, so that's that. So we'll put those to the side. So the organic pads, that's what they're bringing out. Right, okay, so let's just have a look in here. So it says we've got the ones that's for night time. So these are for night, and these are like bigger pads because night time you want more protection, don't you? I don't like this opening. It's just made it a lot difficult. Right, okay, so that's the ones that's for the night time. Then we've got, you also have a choice of what pads you want. You can have medium flow, low flow or heavy flow. You have a choice, and you also have a choice of tampons or pads. I preferably would choose the pads because they are a lot more convenient for me and easier. Right, and you also have these. Now these is, you get a choice of, you get like panty liners as well, which you could use daily. You see, these are the green ones, and these is like ideal for using everyday use. And also you get the pads, it just goes in your handbag. So I also like this bag, it's so like nice and bright. It's easy to find in your handbag because it's so bright. I prefer that bag to a black one, because if you have a black bag like me, the inside's black. And they're just a little bit more difficult to find. So the brighter the colours are, the better they are. So that's a thumbs up for me. So that's what I like about bright colours. Bright colour bags, please. Bettybox, pink parcel. The brighter, the better. Right, okay. So then we have for later box. And that is just pads again. But you get loads and loads of pads in here. It's like, you will get absolutely loads. So to me it is worth the £12 a month because you just get loads of pads. And these are to buy in the supermarkets. You would pay about £3 for these each packet. So yeah, so that's what I like. And now we're going to get to the all important March Bettybox for you box. This is the box everybody wants to know about. Everybody wants to know this box because it's like for you box. And I wouldn't be surprised if you get a cup of tea. You may get a cup of tea, but then again, we don't know. We will see what it is. There we go, you see it. We've got chocolates. Oh, I love chocolates. Oh, we got a NIPFAB Purify. I love NIPFAB. They are really good, and I can't praise them enough. I just love their products. So when I go look at this, this is like, I love NIPFAB. So what is this? This is like a Teen Skin Fix Zero Shine Moisturiser, and it's a hydrating. So I wonder if that would work with this one, because I have this one that I use on the night. So probably that's going to go together. Probably they will. Well, I hope so anyway, because I love that one. That is really a good one. So this is like a moisturiser, and I really use moisturisers all the time. And by the way, there is no difference between teen skin, and adult skin. Just the teen skin product is a little bit less harsh, because their skin is a little bit it's a little bit more delicate than ours. Right, okay, so we are just going to open this up. Oh, the annoying tags. The annoyance of a tag. Right, so just as well I have a pimple popper right near me. Right. Oh, it's like a, you see, it's like a clear sort of substance, but oh, it smells like cucumbers, and it's like really nice. I love it, and it's like just made my hand go really super soft. I mean, I'm going to look forward to using that tonight. I'm actually going to just look forward to using both the products together. It'll be like a really nice moisturising. Right, so that's perfect. I do love that. Right, so then, well, what we've got in here is, I'm going to have a look at this. It looks like a makeup item, and it's the Three Amigos, the Beauty Crop. I think we've had the Three Amigos in pink parcel before. So yeah, so this is what we've got, and I'm going to have to wreck the box, because you can never get them out without wrecking the box. Right, so, oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. Oh, look at that. That looks amazing. Right, so now, are they going to be easy for me to open? So we see, there, oh, it feels real nice. So there we go, and oh, look at that colour. Wow, that is gorgeous. So I'm going to just do that one. Really nice colours. And we're going to do that one. It's like a lightish colour. It's not going to show up. Really nice colours. I do like that. That's a lovely item. Right, so now we've got one more makeup item. I've got two more. Right, these are beauty items. And then we've got Charity. Oh, look at that. Oh, we've got a lip balm. I love this stuff. SPF 15. It's really good because you need to keep your lips moist. Love it. I like that. Right, so then we've got, oh, we've got this in the pink parcel. I love that as well. That's one of the best face masks I've used for a while. So that's quite a good one. I'm pleased I got that, because I could do with that, because this weather is, it's just taking hell out of my skin, and I really need to use these. So with that, oh, then we didn't get a tea bag. It's like, wow, that's amazing. But we got this. So this is like the Charity drink chai. Look at that. We got a Charity. That's different. So then we got 3 of these chocolate bars. I've already dropped one. So we'll try the red one and see what they are like. Oh, this one is a Curiously Moorish one. So yeah, so just open it up. I don't want to eat all of this because I'm on a calorie controlled diet, so yeah, so just be a little nibble. If I eat all of this, it'll be like an hour on the treadmill. I haven't got time to do an hour on the treadmill. But that's what it's like. Really nice. Oh my gosh. Chocolate. That has a taste of orange to it and it's really nice. It's like eating a chocolate orange. That is really nice. Would that be good as a contour? Ooh. Probably would be, you know. I bet you could use chocolate cocos like contour. Anyway, let me know in the comments. That was just a crazy thing that just come to my head. It was like when I was rubbing it, I was like, would that be contour? Really nice. I shouldn't eat two with them, but 2 mouthfuls. Just gorgeous. Right, so it does say a bit about this Matchbox. Right, so here we go, the little important booklet. So this month is feminist. I'm unstoppable, it says. Welcome to your International Women's Day Bettybox. This month we're celebrating International Women's Day on the 8th of March. So yeah, if you haven't heard of it before, it's an awesome day that celebrates girls and women worldwide. Here at Betty, we're all over that. Remind us why we still need to press for progress, the official hashtag FY1, by fighting for girls, guys to be totally equal. We've come a long way in the last century. You know that feeling when you see Girl Boss Insta post, hear Queen Bees that run the world, or watch Little Mix strut across the stage. Those are the powerful vibes we're striving for 24/7. So while you're upping your skincare game this month with the amazing full-sized moisturiser from NIPFAB, sorting out your PMS spots from the Balanced Me treat, or sipping on a chai tea latte, have a little think. You can, us gals, make the world a better place. Who knows? You could be a next Mala and inspire the whole generation. Wow, that's so true. So this month we were supposed to get Balanced Me Congested Skin Serum. I didn't get that, so... Did I get that? No, we did not get that. Well, I don't know. I'm not really bothered about it. So 2, we got the NIPFAB Skin Shine Zero. I do like that. That is really nice. 3, the Beauty Crop 3 Amigos eyeshadow. So these are all the full-sized items, I think. I'm not sure. I'm sure that NIPFAB is full-size though, and the 3 Amigos is. Sure of it. Right, so this month's box, you see, I didn't get the Balanced Me. It's not in the lineup at all. Right, so this month's box we got this, which is Carmex and Mint. Oh, is this a new one? I've never tried it. Maybe I should try it. I've got lipstick on, so I want to see if it's really minty, I suppose. That's what I'm looking for. Is it going to open for me nicely? Oh, it smells minty. I'll try a bit. Just try it, it'll taste a bit. Oh, it tastes minty. Oh, that is really nice. And please, I tried it. That is gorgeous. And that's going in my handbag. I'm going to put it in my bag with the pads, because that's when I'll never forget it and I love it. So yeah, so that's a good item. Love it. Right, that's £2.79 and you can buy that at graftonsbeauty.co.uk. The chocolates that I just love, and I'm nearly it's a whole one, but they are £5 a box of 200 grams, and you can get them at montybojangles.com. That was a mouthful. Monty Bojangles, I think that's the name. Right, so then we got a face mask, and that is £3.99. It's just here, £3.99, and you can get, that's for the single shade, but you can buy them in a box for £12.99, and that's at buymebittermasks.com. The Chatty Latte, which is this one, I'm going to enjoy that tonight, which is £2.30 for 200 grams, and you can buy that in Tesco. I've seen that in Tesco. So we are on with a winner with this one. And it says the 4 best things about periods. Yes, really there is the best things about periods. And now I would have to differ about this, because periods is like, I only ever look forward to my boxes coming on for periods. Like Pink Parcel and Bettybox. That's the only thing about periods it's any good for me. Right, so it says, if you reckon the only reason to count down to your period is to work out when it's over, yeah, that's all I do, so photo is over. We've got news for you. It doesn't have to be that bad. 1 guilt-free snackage, right. It's a few extra goodies, take your mind off the feeling like a limp lettuce leaf, then go and treat yourself. I like chocolate, I like lots of chocolate when I'm on my period. It's a nice one, bod. 2, your periods arrive each month means your insides are doing exactly what they're meant to do. Well, that's a good job, yes, because that's what you need them to do. Being a girl, getting your period is one big fat reminder of the fact that you're a woman, which totally rocks. Yes, I suppose that's a good thing. Yeah, because you need that. So 4, it's time to focus on you. Life gets so jam-packed with mates, school, chores, never time too much. Yeah, right. Okay, so that is that. Right, so thanks Betty for getting girls talking about their periods. Yep, that's one student said after a visit from our... I'm not going to go on about that. It's just keeping it real. I've actually read the whole thing. Right, so okay, so if you liked this video, thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye.